Sorry, we've just had to film this, but have you seen the state of this cabinet? Yeah, good morning you two. Start to another week. Been a long weekend after so many bank holidays at minute I can't keep track, but start May at minute, so is it May Day or whatever this week? I don't know. It's coronation next time, isn't it? But yeah, so obviously it's a shorter week again this week. It's Tuesday today, and the lads are just doing a little job for actually Taylor's Builders, who are just round back of our yard. Just at a little school they're doing there. He's actually away golfing, but we're going to go for Airedale, but we didn't get a chance, so they're just going there. Baggy's in, look, back from Danny down there. He's done well. And then rest of the week's a timber job. Justin's hiding in here, look. Here's his little office now. Put heater on, full blast. Red hot in here, by the way. You didn't feel it straight away. Turn it off, bills are massive. So yeah, just a little job that they're doing. For Taylor, who's actually out back, but like I say, he's golfing. Yeah, so all they're doing is some 3 panels, black panels that we got for him last week. 4 posts, that's it. Then I say, rest of the week, got a decent domestic timber job on. So we'll keep you updated as we go along. So yeah, we're just over at school actually, looking at this sliding gate. I came last week, look at fencing all the way around back. I'm just with Matthew here from EWSC. Say hello, Matthew.
Morning.
I just asked why it won't work instead. Oh, it's because I forgot teachers are on strike today, so they've got it open. But I think everything were working when I come last week. I videoed it. So they're on about just swapping it for a better mesh gate. Cause this is, I mean, have you seen this, Matt? It's like 2 gates cobbled together. Look. What?
That is 2 gates put together.
Yeah, 2 gates.
That's your old slide bolt location. There used to be 2 standard gates welded to a sliding frame.
That's what they've done, haven't they? Yeah. Well, it's not legal. I mean, look, there's no run back thing at all. Plus, look at that, where the arm is here at front. And any kid can put their arm in there, can't they?
Yep.
So we'll sort that out.
Yeah, I'm not way through that bit.
Exactly. Really dodgy, isn't it? I told them that last week, but so we'll have to put a panel here, a 358, to stop them there, and then yeah, it'll be a 358 prism mesh, and then I'll have to do the run back both sides.
Yeah.
What? They're not working?
Well, no, it's not in line, but they've got two brake beam sensors at the end. But when that's sliding back towards me, I can get through that gap and get in between there.
So that's well dodgy, isn't it?
Sensors ever knowing I'm there.
I know.
I mean, it'd be a fairly deliberate act, but it's still possible.
Yeah, well, especially here because they're open from the cars, aren't they?
Look at flexing it.
I know.
Its end stop's too short as well, so that's in wind. That's pretty dangerous because it's not locating into end key. So the end stop should let it, either that's too far back or the end stop's set wrong, so this gate should come back a little bit more. The tail end of that gate should locate into that safety key. There's a little, that's why they have a little wheel on it. It guides in and then that holds this end at gate from doing that.
Yeah.
So over time that'll cause...
That is dodgy, that. A lot of flexing that, isn't there?
Yeah, it'll cause a lot of damage, especially with the gate that way. The brilliant thing is, as a school, somebody's probably been signing this off every 6 months on service.
Well, they have, exactly. See, we're all working. Well, I showed you that video I took, didn't I?
Yeah.
It were all working really smoothly, actually. I was quite impressed how smooth it was. But, yeah, looks like it's been, you know, they've just added stuff, haven't they? And so yeah, anyway, we'll just get Matt do his survey here, see what we need and bits and bats, and might be a good one for us, this. Sorry, we've just had to film this, but have you seen the state of this cabinet? And somebody is probably servicing and passing this off. I mean, even look at dodgy plug socket. It's bad as this.
I don't want to touch too much in case it stops working, but yeah. I'm just going to put lid back on that until we actually get the job and I start, because that needs ripping out and redoing.
That is one of the worst I've seen, Matt. I'm not sure about you. I know you've probably seen a few, but
I've not seen many like
it's
that.
not good, is it?
To be honest, for something that's just a gate and
I mean, well,
a lock on a gate, I don't know why there's so many power supplies, because there's another 2 in box on the side of the gate.
in fact, what's that?
Oh, that's your keypad for getting into this pedestrian
Oh,
gate.
for that,
so
right.
That
Okay, yeah.
So that'll need to come off and be retained. That's how they get into a pedestrian gate.
Mesh gate.
Yeah. They've done that to save money, so they don't have to have a keypad at both sides of the fence, so you can press it from inside or outside to get out.
Makes
in
sense,
and
yeah,
out.
because normally we'd put it on the post, wouldn't we?
Yeah. No, normally you've got a keypad at outside and we
Yeah.
just see a request to exit to get out, but they've got codes that diffuse from both ways, so that's fine.
Right, we'll carry on with this and see how we get on.
We are on Wednesday today and already cracking. Moggy's working in his shed today. It's going to be a beautiful day, so we've got about 50 metres of take down and replace with a double-sided paling. See exactly how we get on today. I can actually see the other side now. It's not too bad at all. Oh my Dad. Easy, all in soil, you couldn't ask for more. So all this will be out and posted today. They've got all the rails on, paling this afternoon. So we're just in the way of the fence line, so we've dug it out front roots.
Practicing some horticulture.
Jamie's practicing his garden skills. He's just going to put it in a bucket just so that when they come back they can replant it in a different place where the fence in. But it's looking good. I know it's a bit of a tight gap, but you know, this is their land. Let's go down here, squeeze past Baggy right quick. You fat. I won't swear. Baggy will do it for me. But yeah, it's looking good. Obviously these last 3 were just slightly going down, just because obviously the ground level. But yeah, it's looking good, and all be done and dusted today. I'll show you. Once all these pails go on, it'll look like a complete different garden. It'll look really nice. A little gate just going in this section here. So yeah, it's looking good.
Been out this morning, done a couple of site surveys. Back to the yard, I've actually no internet on, I don't know what's going on. Sometimes goes off, but it's been off since this morning. We're on first thing. Look at beautiful day. Yeah, Justin's been loaded up. The lads have started today, nice timber job. Got to get rest at palings and stuff for them there. Quite a van full, got to get them in. So yeah, I've just been busy really, doing quotes and whatnot. Justin's gone to just see a couple of domestic jobs. We've even had a bit of a tidy up in office, but yeah, for some reason my internet's down. I've had to change providers, and I hope it's not one of them they've cancelled it and took other one. But, so I'm having to tether my phone up to my PC. Not ideal, but we're getting there. So yeah, we're getting there. So I'll get me rest of my quotes done and enjoy the rest of this sunshine.